Hi, and welcome to 86 Degrees Healthy Solution. Before we show our fantastic dish for today, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit notification. Now, let's watch this amazing video. Let's add all the ingredients and marinate 2 kilograms of pork spare rib. 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. With no cholesterol and insignificant amounts of fat and saturated fat, oyster sauce will not derail your efforts to maintain a healthy weight. A half cup of hot and spicy banana sauce. Delicious alternative to ketchup. Popular world-famous condiment for Filipino and other cuisine. A half cup of hoisin sauce. Hoisin sauce is a thick, fragrant sauce commonly used in Chinese cuisine as a glaze for meat. Marinate for 2 hours or overnight. It is a good practice to put the marinated meat in the refrigerator. It's time to cook. Make sure to preheat electric oil core skillet at 160 degrees before cooking the meat. Cook for 30 minutes with the lid on. After 30 minutes, increase the heat to 230 degrees without the lid for 10 to 12 minutes, turning each side. Let's start plating. Here are some plating tips. Emphasis: the primary ingredient in the dish should take up the most space on the plate and attract the eye. Balance: think about the plate as a whole and avoid weighting one side heavier than the other. Contrast: place contrasting shapes and colors beside each other for visual appeal. Color: choose complementary colors or create a focal point with a single burst of bright color. Texture: the various textures of the dish should be visible in the components of the plate. Simplicity: avoid overcrowding by using as few elements as necessary for the dish to feel complete. Plate: choose a plate that fits the size and arrangement of the dish without leaving too much empty space.